Yes, we're told to write these numbers in decimal place. This one decimal place here, 9.467, and we've got 13.104 in two decimal places. We've got 2.98 in one decimal place, and finally 1.86295 in three decimal places. Okay, now here we write out the question. We've got the 9.467 decimal place, one decimal place. Now that means after the decimal point, I only want one number, so I will be considering writing down this. Now I don't want the 6 and the 7, but I have to check whether this is up to a 5. If it's up to a 5, I'm adding 1 to the 4. Now 6 is up to a 5, that means I'll be adding 1 to the 4, which will give me a 5 there. So we'll have 9.5. Here we've got 13.104, and the space is too much. I don't like it. I'll just rub it off and rewrite it. We have 1, 0, and a 4. Okay. Here we will be considering after the decimal point two numbers. Now we will not be writing this one here, which is a third one, but we need to check whether it's up to 5 or not. If it's up to 5, we're going to add 1, but it's not up to a 5, so we are not going to be adding 1. So therefore, we will not add 1. So we will have 1, or 3 point, or 1 and a 0. Please don't leave out the 0. If you leave out the 0, that means you're writing your answer in a one decimal place. That means after the point, you only give us 1. So therefore, that would be wrong. So you will need to add the 0 here at the end of the 1, so that whoever says this will know that, look, we've left this in two decimal places. Good. Now here, one decimal place, we've got 2.98. Now we can see that after the decimal we've got two numbers, fine, but we want only one decimal place. After the decimal point, I only want 1. Okay, so we're gonna have 2.9. Now we need to check on this. Is this up to a 5? Yes, is even more than a 5. So we'll be adding 1 to the number in front of it, which is 9. Now if we do that, that's going to affect the 9, making it 10, and 10 is going to affect this 2, making it 3. So this will be wrong. We need to change it. So this will be a what? This will be a 3, and this will be a 0. Okay, so 0. If you leave out the 0, you're not obeying your rules. 1 decimal place. So here gives us a 1 decimal place. So it's going to be 3.0. Finally, we've got a 1.86295 in 3 decimal places. So therefore, we will be writing down this, considering this, and this. Now we will be checking whether this one is up to a 5. And we can see that it's up to a 5. That means we're going to be adding 1 to that. 1 to the number in front of it, which is 2. So here you will have a 1.863. So that's going to be our answer, 1.863. Beautiful.